Welcome back to Org Autocar, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. If you love cars that blend heritage, power, and innovation, you're in the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Now, let's talk about something that's sending shockwaves through the automotive world, the official unveiling of the all-new 2026 Honda S2000. Yes, you heard that right, the legend is back. After nearly 2 decades, Honda has revived one of its most iconic sports cars, and the wait has absolutely been worth it. The new 2026 Honda S2000 brings back the essence of the original roadster, lightweight, rear-wheel drive, and engineered purely for driving pleasure. But this time, it comes with a modern twist. Honda has carefully balanced nostalgia with innovation, giving the new S2000 a design that feels both familiar and futuristic. The exterior immediately grabs attention with its sleek, low-slung stance, aggressive LED headlights, and a long sculpted hood that pays tribute to the first-generation model. The aerodynamic lines flow beautifully from front to rear, giving it a muscular yet elegant look. And yes, it still comes with a soft top roof, staying true to the open-top spirit that made the S2000 an icon. Under the hood, Honda has made a bold move. The new S2000 is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter VTEC engine derived from the Civic Type R but tuned specifically for this car. It's expected to produce around 330 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for pure driving engagement. And for those who prefer a bit of modern convenience, Honda is also offering a dual-clutch automatic option. The performance is nothing short of breathtaking 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4.5 seconds, with razor-sharp handling that makes every corner an experience. The new chassis uses lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber components, keeping the weight close to 1,400 kilograms, which means the classic balance between power and agility remains intact. Step inside, and you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with a perfect blend of analog emotion and digital precision. A fully digital instrument cluster, a floating touchscreen with Honda's latest infotainment system, and minimalistic design cues all highlight the car's modern personality. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, offering just the right amount of support for spirited drives or daily cruising. Honda has also confirmed that the new S2000 will feature advanced safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking, a reminder that this is a performance machine built for the modern era. In essence, the 2026 Honda S2000 isn't just a comeback, it's a statement. A celebration of Honda's passion for driving, precision engineering, and the art of simplicity. So, what do you think about the all-new S2000? Has Honda nailed the balance between nostalgia and innovation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Org Autocar for more exciting updates from the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.